Kasorkar jylla hinen kesngi kalakentu ya ke National Buildings Construction Corporation bahkan say buit bat sor ban la ban te ya ke jingtai ke bai tanat hapu ke jylla kum ya ke Ïew Polo bahkan long Thik kum ke Times Square. Habai kren bikilat pathai kubor Myntri Rangbah ke jylla Dr. Mukul sangma ulong ke NBCC ke ban say ya ginong sandur ki batbet ban pynlong ya ke Ïew Polo kum ke Times Square. Umukul ulong ke jingkentu ban te ya ke jingtai ke ban sakan mau namar ke don tang ke we ke shalong bat tang ke we ke Ïew Polo. Namar kata, kajingtai ke di benlong ke Jaka ke bansa nam nak benta ke Nongba kum ke Times Square ke belalong nak benta ke New York. Nak liang umukul ulong, ke sorkar ke lebat hak ke NBCC bahkan sandur bahaya ke jingtai, bat baka jingdrodur di ban pendep hapuk ke kendai terik uleber ar jagat san. Ulai thuru baya ketika yo, en baitingka hak rukom ke PPP mode. Hak ketika sengi, lai kran ru halor ke jingpen bahaya ki surok New Shillong Township bat ki wei ki surok.
As per our commitment to address the issues of congestion and creating the necessary infrastructural requirement for natural expansion of our congested Shillong city, we have earmarked and also sanctioned certain amount of money to the Department of Urban Affairs. This includes the widening of road and construction of road and other infrastructural facilities like the common dock for utilities and the appropriate widening of the roads for the new township area. So this has been reviewed, and as per the need, since last meeting, if you recollect, we had one more review where the government desired that the right of way to the new township should be 32-meter broad. The breadth of the right of way should be 32 meters so that we have the kind of road which is capable of having 4-lane road with wide divider where we can have proper plantation of flowers, and also on both sides of the roads we would like to have enough breadth for providing for pedestrians, including plantation, so that we are in a position to look at the aesthetic part of the road. And with this task, the department has worked in tandem with both PWD and MGCC under the supervision of Urban Affairs. Presentation has been given. We have approved the alignments. Okay. So there will be road going from Normansong to the IHM and those new township area, and also to the IIM area. So you have both on the right side and left side as you proceed towards the new township. And the right of way for both of these roads are 32 meters breadth. So that is the approval that we have done. So this is one part. Okay. The idea is that Shillong, whatever new roads we build, must be taken care of from the perspective of safety as well as aesthetic part. In addition to that, another presentation which was given today was for following up with the decision of the government to develop the polo market. We wanted to develop that market in such a way that it is comparable to any landmark commercial center globally. So presentation has been given by the NBCC. They have tried to capture whatever the government has asked them for. Nevertheless, we have asked for some more options which basically meets our aspirations and our benchmark in respect of the global standard, so that what we have planned for the people of the state, people of the city, actually is captured in that overall concept from the architectural perspective.